What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and this one right here, this video is going to be a totally different one. This is coming from the left. I know you guys don't even expect this, and I didn't either, but it's my channel, and I said, let me go ahead and put this on here. So today's video is going to be different in the sense that, no, it's not a tech product or anything like that, but it's more like a quick little vlog on an experience that I did, because I did purchase something, and let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
So in today's video, I want to go ahead and discuss with you my experience being a first-time gun purchaser plus gun owner. Yes, you heard me right. So back in August, I went ahead and took an HQL class, and that was required in my state. I'm in the state of Maryland, so I had to go ahead and do that. It's like a 3-hour class. You do some in-classroom stuff, then you do some shooting range stuff, and you have to do a background check and all that stuff. And if everything comes out good, they will go ahead and allow you to purchase firearm. So my very first purchase I got from online, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here is my very first purchase. Won't be the last purchase, but I got this from Grab-A-Gun actually, and this, as you see, Canik, but it's actually pronounced Canik. To me, this came with a lot of stuff. I purchased this for about $550. It is a 9mm pistol, and it looks actually pretty good. In my state, it's one of the 7 or 9 states that's kind of strict with gun laws and gun regulations and restrictions and everything. So online at Grab-A-Gun, this came with, I believe, 15-round magazines, but in my state, you're only allowed to have 10. So what they did was they emailed me and said, you know, due to your state regulations and all that, we can't send a 15-round mags to you. So do you want us to cancel the order, or do you want to, for us just to go ahead and take them out? So unfortunately, I wanted my pistol, so I said, go ahead, just take them out. But they had no option to swap out the mags for 10 mags that is allowed in my state. So that kind of sucked, and it's not like they took any money off of the purchase, and I know darn well they're probably most likely going to resell those mags somewhere else. So from there, I had to go somewhere else and purchase some more mags. So I purchased some 10-round mags, as you see here. So I was able to purchase that, but purchasing these, I mean, it's not cheap. So I purchased these from another site, and I'll put that in the description. And these mags were like $32 a mag. Adding that all up, plus your ammunition, it does get costly. I purchased this. Why did I purchase this if I'm the queen of pretty much smartphones and kind of cool gadgets and stuff? Home defense, of course. At the end of the day, I'm a person, and I have a place to protect, and I have my life and family members and everything to protect. And you know, it's getting kind of weird out there, and I already took the class. Now I need to go ahead and take the next step. This actually came with a lot of stuff, which I was very surprised at. Okay, so this is new despite the way that the case looks. It's just been through a few things. This is a new firearm, as you see on the label, and this gives you information about the pistol, but I actually lied to you. This actually came with 20-round magazines, but due to my state laws, remember, they were taken out. In here, you will find your owner's manual and all the information about the pistol. Canik you have here. Canik is how they pronounce it. Now this accessory right here did not come with the purchase of the gun. It was purchased separately. It is a light and laser that you place on the rail of the pistol. Now here is the pistol itself, and I do like the two-tone color. So this isn't a subcompact. This has a 5.2-inch barrel. So full size, no mag inside, and it is clear, nothing in the chamber. On the back, you'll notice the blacked out Warren tactical sights. I'll also show you how to place the laser onto the rail, and it's just as easy as just sliding on the laser, locking it into place, and there you have, that helps with aiming. And these plates can be removed to put some type of optics, any type of optics that you want. That's what I was saying, this comes with so much. You have the speed loader that was included with the purchase, and then this is the 10 round mag that I purchased myself due to my state laws. I will go ahead and place the mag inside of the pistol to give you a complete look. Now, I must say this thing looks badass. This has so much. I have the blacked out rear sights. I have the red fiber optic sight in the front. I have a good amount of texture on the handle. The back strap includes a lot of grip, which makes it comfortable to hold. They also include a holster, which is pretty cool. And then they also give you a toolbox to change out the plates for the sights or the mag release. You get a trigger lock. And then they also even give you another back strap to change out if you want to. So this is a different size. You have your cleaning tools. And then to the right, you have the different plates to install so you can put on any optics that you really want. So let me explain to you the process that I had to go through in my state, which is the state of Maryland. In every state it's different, but like I said, Maryland's kind of one of the states that's kind of pretty strict with their gun rules and regulations and everything. So I ordered it from online, and then I had to find an FFL dealer for it to be shipped to, because it could not be shipped to my house. It needed to go to a dealer, so I shipped it to my local shooting range. That's down the street from my house. So once I ordered it, they gave me confirmation that it was paid. They gave me confirmation when it was shipped to the FFL dealer, and once it got there, I just had to keep an eye out on the FedEx shipping to make sure it was delivered, and then I can go ahead and claim it. So then once I saw that it was delivered, I went to the dealer and I want to claim it. Now, claiming it doesn't mean I get to bring it home. What claiming means for me in my situation was I had to go tell them what pistol that I got or what firearm that I had shipped to them, give them my name and everything. And then I had to go ahead and fill out paperwork. I also had to fill out information for the state of Maryland to get a background check, for them to do all that. So that took about maybe like 15 to 20 minutes to fill out everything. I also had to pay a $10 fee to the state police to run that background check. And then I also had to pay $55 or $50, I believe, for the transfer fee. Now you see the amount of fees and everything is starting to add up. So it can be kind of a pricey item to get, but the amount of money I had to pay for the handgun itself, the amount of money that I had to pay for the mags, I'm getting more mags as well. Then the ammunition, which everyone knows, ammunition is so hard to come by right now. So I was able to get some hollow points, and I need some slugs as well, because I want to practice with slugs instead of using the hollow points, and then other accessories that you want to put on the pistol or whatever. So, you know, this one spoke out to me. This one kind of, I don't know, it just, like, with everything that came included, it kind of reminded me of like the Samsung of handguns almost, because it came with so much inside of the case. So that was a plus for me. And it's not an American gun, it's actually from Turkey, so it's a Turkish gun, but I don't get into all of that. You know, what's going to protect you is what's going to protect you. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I plan on going to the range to go ahead and finally shoot my handgun this week. So that's going to be kind of exciting for me, because I was just shooting with rented pistols and everything like that. So this one's finally mine. I got the proper eye protection, I got the proper ear protection, so I'm pretty much good to go. And I know the safeties of the gun range. So that is my different video that I want to give to you guys, just to see me on a different angle or whatever. It's not all about smartphones and tech like that. I'm into other things, but I don't always share that. But this was something pretty cool. So I'm getting into, you know, handguns and home defense and protection and stuff like that. So this is my first one. I'm probably not going to share everyone that that I'm going to pick up, but I did want to share with you guys my first handgun purchase, and yeah, looking forward to shooting it at the range. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.